How to open HSBC bank account online on UK. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can open or register for a HSBC bank account online from the comfort of your home. So without any further ado and without any delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to open your HSBC bank account online on UK, not online banking, but the whole bank account itself, because maybe you don't have time to go to the bank and you simply want to register online. Open your browser, go to hsbc.co.uk. Go to the banking section from the top, and you can choose one of the current accounts or a savings account. So I'll just select one of the current account. Now I'm making sure that you have done the research yourself as to what kind of account you want to create and why. So here you'll be able to see all of these options right here. You can see apply for a sole account, or if you're in a desktop, you can scan in the QR code to continue in the app, or you can apply for a sole account online. So click on this, apply for sole account online. On the next page, you have to make sure that you read all of this properly and click on confirm and start. So choose the email address which you want to use, enter your title or your suffix, enter your first name and your surname according to the documents, and you can simply select other options here. Enter your date of birth according to your legal details, by the way, and enter your place of birth, nationality, marital status, and click on the continue button over here. Then when you've done that, you'll be able to go ahead and then basically finish all of the other steps, and you'll be able to enter your phone number, all the other details according to your legal details, and once you enter them, you'll be able to fill up this application to create your HSBC bank account. That is all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.